stop eating chicken breast until you do this one thing. Chicken breast is one of the best things you can eat because of its extremely high protein weightage. But it is so dry due to its low fat content. But I have figured out how to get it tasting like a chicken thigh. The secret is baking powder. I'm not sure the science behind it, but just sprinkle some baking powder over your chicken breast, leave it for 30 minutes, then wash it off, pat dry, and cook it in a method of your choice. This will result in the most tender piece of chicken breast you have ever eaten. Try it out and let me know how it goes.